Hi guys, it's styling guru Crystal Okusa, and a lot of us women tend to have bad hair days. So sometimes you just want to wrap your hair in something, but still rock your look for the day. So I'm with my friend Sophie here, and we're going to show you how you're able to style your head wraps. Whether you have short hair like mine, like see what I'm doing here. I can still rock this with jeans like I'm wearing and t-shirt, not only skirts. And then if you have a lot of hair like Sophie's, we're also going to show you how you can be able to wrap that up and still look glam and still slay your outfit for the day. Sophie has quite a bit of hair, so it tends to get in the way, and she sometimes tells me the way she just doesn't feel like wearing it as the rest of us are in envy. So that's why she tends to have lots of head wraps. And tight, then take the opposite side, squeeze it in. There we go. So give us how she looks. And then this is a look that you're able to wear with like what Sophie's wearing, her whole skirts, and she's wearing the skirts and polka. Makes you feel girly, a bit dressed up. So nobody tends to know that you have a bad hair day because it's all covered up inside. You just look like you have some really serious head wrap game. Some serious head wrap game going on here. I like the mix of prints, like the polka, the cheetah, and the Ankara print because it just shows a little bit of edge. So Sophie is going to show you how else you're able to achieve that if you have short hair like mine. So Sophie is using a scarf that she has rolled around to give my head a bit of body before we're able to wrap it in the headgear. There. It looks like I have something, like I have a lot of hair going on up here, even if I don't. It's just an illusion, remember? It's just to kill the bad hair days. Cool. I'm using a double scarf because I don't have hair, just to give me a bit of body to achieve a stronger finish. Just trying to tuck in this other one so it doesn't look turkey. But I also just generally like mixing colors and going against odds, so hence I don't mind having two colors showing. Just don't have things hanging though. Cool. Sophie has dressed her look up with her fitting dress, sandals, and a kimono blouse. That way, she's still able to feel girly and sexy while having her turban without necessarily feeling too old or too, maybe it's associated with being too mature and a bit older looking. She's still funky and she's able to rock her street look.